Tip 1. After some use, your home microwave oven often gets food splattered onto the walls and dries hard, making it very difficult to clean. Try this simple tip. I prepared a glass and squeezed half a lemon into it. Then I added more water. Next, I put the cup in the microwave and spin at high power for about 4 minutes. The hot steam, combined with the essential oils from the lemon, will cling to the oven walls, helping to soften stains and reduce lingering food odors. When the timer runs out, I just wipe it gently with a paper towel. The buildup comes off very easily, leaving the microwave clean and fresh smelling without needing much scrubbing. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. After being cleaned, the microwave looks spotless and brand new. The glass turntable is crystal clear, the interior is free of grease and food splatters, and every nook and cranny is sparkling clean. Tip 2. First, I put the potatoes in a food-grade bag. Add a little water, then tie or fold the bag shut. Next, I used a fork to poke a few small holes in the bag so that steam could escape during the heating process. Next, I put the bag in the microwave and microwaved it on high power for about 4 minutes. Every 4 minutes, I continue rotating the pan until the potatoes are cooked through and tender. When I finished, I took the bag out. And surprisingly, the potato was fully cooked. The finished product consists of potatoes that are soft and tender, but not mushy from soaking in water, while still retaining their natural flavor and nutrients. Tip 3. I placed a paper towel on the plate. Then arranged the slices of bacon on top. Next, I placed another paper towel on top to limit grease splatter and help absorb any excess grease that dripped during the heating process. Next, I put the plate in the microwave and microwaved it on medium power for about 2 minutes. When removed from the pan, the bacon is golden brown, crispy, and deliciously fragrant, while the excess fat is absorbed by the paper towel, making the dish less greasy and saving you from having to clean the pan afterward. Tip 4. Next, I put the pasta in a heat-resistant cup, added enough water, and placed it in the microwave. I microwaved it on medium-high power for about 2 minutes until the pasta started to soften. Then I took out a glass, cracked an egg into it, add shredded cheese, add salt and pepper, add some strawberry-flavored fresh milk. Then stir well to combine all the ingredients. It's great that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Next, I put the cup back in the microwave and microwaved it on high for 3 minutes. The finished product is a hot, creamy, smooth, and convenient cup of egg and cheese pasta, perfect for breakfast or when you need a quick yet appealing meal. Tip 5. First, I put about 1 small cup of sweet corn on a piece of aluminum foil. Then I added a piece of butter. I covered it with another piece of aluminum foil. Fold the edges together to form a small pouch. Then use a fork to poke a few small holes in the surface so that steam can escape. Next, I placed the foil bag on the pan and heated it over medium heat. As the temperature rises, the butter will melt, heating the corn kernels, and after just a few minutes, you'll start hearing the popcorn crackling inside the bag. As the popping subsided, I lifted the bag, unwrapped the foil, and poured the popcorn into a bowl. The result is delicious, hot, crispy popcorn with a buttery aroma, and the pan remains almost clean, saving you the time and effort of scrubbing after cooking. Tip 6. Want to have a perfectly cooked ear of corn without boiling it in a pot of water? Try this simple trick. First, I took a paper towel and wrapped it tightly around the corn cob. Next, I put the corn cob in the microwave and microwaved it on high power for about 4 minutes. The moisture retained in the paper towel will help the corn cook evenly from the inside without drying out. The finished product is tender, juicy corn that retains its natural sweetness, making it very convenient for preparing a quick meal without using a pot. Tip 7. First, I crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Add a little salt and whisk until the mixture is well combined. Next, I heated a pot of water until it boiled, then reduced it to a gentle simmer. Once the water reached the appropriate temperature, I slowly poured the egg mixture into the pot. After a short while, the egg mixture will solidify and puff up thanks to the moderate temperature of the water. Finally, I gently removed the eggs from the water to drain. The finished product is a soft, fluffy, and very light egg omelet, which can be eaten immediately or served with bread, salad, or other dishes. So today, I've shared 7 microwave cooking tips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is my motivation to continue sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.